Hi, I'm Mayank Joshi. I'm the co-founder and CTO of Jamsvi Technologies. So my role in the company is to figure out the latest tech stacks like Jamstack technology and headless commerce, and we believe that these two are going to change the world down the lane. So back in 2020, Shubham called me one day and he told me about the whole Jamstack space, and we had a really long conversation about this whole idea of Jamstack, and we talked about how it is going to change the world. And I just said to him that let's do it, and here we are. Yeah, so that's an interesting question. What makes us innovative? So we at Jamsvi believe in an internal technique that we call as LEI: learn, experiment, and implement. So what we do, we try to understand and learn the newer tech stacks that are there, and we try to experiment them with the different use cases. And if the results are positive, then we implement those tech stacks, and we also suggest these tech stacks to other companies as well. So that's what makes us innovative, and that's what differentiates us from others. Yeah, so we have three goals, and we believe that if we are able to achieve these three goals, we will definitely change the world. So the first goal is to transform the traditional web that relies on WordPress and Drupal into the Jamstack surface, and we are targeting more than 500 plus sites in the next 2 years. The second goal is to educate more and more people about the Jamstack's vertical, so through videos, blogs and podcasts. The third goal is to digitalize the day-to-day domains that relies on paper, pen and file management system, and to automate them using the cutting-edge technologies. Yeah, so we are working on 3 products right now. The first is MTS, or what we call as the manufacturing tracking system, where we have automated the whole textile industry with the latest tech stack for one of the textile giants. We are currently monitoring that product so that we can go live with it in the upcoming months. The second product is Penify. It's kind of a surprise right now. We have an upcoming video for that. Third is headless commerce. We have moved on from the traditional e-commerce application and decoupled the head and body, where head is the front end and body is the back end, which provides the freedom of expression for development and enriches the customer experience as well. So basically, Jamstack stands for JavaScript APIs and Markup. It's a web development architecture that allows the developer to build blazing fast websites with great speed and even greater performance. It's fast because pre-rendered markup and assets are served over the CDN, which increases the loading times for the website, hence increasing the performance of it. You don't have to worry about the security concerns as well, because there is no server and hence no server vulnerabilities. And in case your website goes viral, the scalability is assured as well. Why I think it's a future? Because in the past couple of years, Jamstack ecosystem has really gone big, and bigger companies like Nike, Shopify and PayPal are getting behind it and backing it up. So for us as Jamsvi, Jamstack has always been a huge step forward in terms of creating the website for our clients with a vast array of benefits, and that's why our name also suggested Jamstack for you. Yeah, so anyone who has the curiosity to learn new things, not just technical but overall, and the one who can take the ownership of the task at hand and has the motivation to change the traditional systems and bring the breakthrough in the industry. And if you have these 3 qualities, Jamsvi doors are always open for you.